Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send application from one Android phone to another. Alright guys, if we want to send application on Android phone, we have to use the Google Play Store application. So the first thing we're going to do is opening our Play Store application. Then after the Play Store application has been opened, we can go to our profile. We can tap on this profile button. Then there will be several options for us, and we have to select manage apps and device. Okay, and since we want to send application, we can tap on the send button. Then just select the application that you would like to send, and you can select more than one application. And for example, I'm going to select this X recorder and the Telegram as well. Then after we're done selecting the application, we can tap on the send button. Okay, then you can read the instruction right here. Ask the receiver to go to the receive apps in Google Play, and their device will show up here. And after the receiver's device appear, you can tap on the receiver's device. Then the application you have selected will be sent. Alright guys, and that's how we can send application from one phone to another. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.